Alright folks, list number 62. A rectangular parallel pipe has dimensions of A, B, and C as shown in this figure. Oh, I forgot to pull it. So here's the figure, folks. I'm going to redraw this. so this is going to be the x-axis, and this is going to be the y-axis, and this is going to be the z-axis. And A is going to be where x is. Is that right? Yeah, A, B. So A and B is y. So A is going to be somewhere in here. B is going to be somewhere in there. A and B is going to be this point embedded in the when z is 0. So you can see this, that this is going to be the radius. And then C is going to be somewhere depending on where the height is. So I'm going to pull it really up there just to exaggerate this. So you can see from this drawing that this is going to be the vector R1. R1, we can already find the components. In fact, that's what they're asking for. R1 is going to be the component is of really just, I'm going to write in terms of I hats and j hats. A in the I hats direction plus B in the j hat direction. That's all. So that means that the magnitude of R1 is going to be A squared plus B squared. Now, that's what it's asking. So part A, obtain the vector expression for the face diagonal R1. What is the magnitude of this vector? And there you go. So there it is. So part B, obtain a vector expression for the body diagram of R2. And notice that okay, whatever, I don't care. So, well, let me read this. Notice that and R2 make angle proof of the okay. So that's just that there's, okay. So R2, I'm going to write this as the vector A in the I hat direction plus B in the j hat direction plus C in the k hat direction. And the magnitude of R2 is going to be, so the magnitude of R2, so this magnitude is going to be this is going to be this, folks. If you were too perceptive, this would be R squared, and the C squared, that's going to be pointing straight upward. So that's going to be the magnitude of this R2. So that's another way of saying R1 squared plus R plus C squared. And since this is going to be R1 plus C squared, it's really just going to be a triple Pythagorean theorem. So A squared plus B squared plus C squared. I hope this makes sense to you guys. And I think that's what they're asking for. Anyways, folks, goodbye. I hope you enjoy.